That was awesome. Okay, we are on our way to Kyoto, and we gotta be a little bit quiet here because we're not supposed to talk too loud and everything. Arigatou gozaimasu. Basically, we were getting ready today, and we're just going to Kyoto, so I wanted to show off a couple things before anything. We're gonna try to make this more of like a pleasing eye visual vlog instead of just like going and just showing you guys, oh, this is what we're doing and stuff. So we got like a beef thing. It's pretty cool. We'll take it out and show you guys later and everything. But it's a 2-hour bullet train. You can hear.
Nagoya and Kyoto stations before arriving at Shibuya.
Kyoto. So we're going to Kyoto. It's going to be a 2-hour and 15-minute drive train kind of thing. So we're going to see how that works out. We are leaving at 7:54 a.m. and should be getting there at about 10 a.m. like flat. So it's pretty easy at 10:09 a.m. We're going to go to do a couple things. I got my new Supreme jacket on still, and I got a really cool Evangelion shirt on as well, so we're gonna eat that food later. We got a water. You could have bought beers and brought them on the plane or on the train too, which is awesome. But yeah, we're gonna be going all the way to Kyoto, and if you guys did not know, it's about a 12 to 13 hour drive if you're doing it in a car. But because we're in the bullet train, we can get it done, and I'm not even kidding you, 2 hours and 15 minutes. That is absolutely nuts. So we're gonna see how that works out. Yeah, we're whispering kind of low here because, like I said, you're not supposed to like talk loud in public places and everything. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. We're in Kyoto. Alrighty, we are in Kyoto, and now we're going to the first temple. That's going to be really awesome. And then after that, we're going to go to the matcha place and some other things too. So we're very excited for that. The outfit is cool. We have the microphone on us now, so you guys should be able to hear us a little bit better. But let's experience it.
Whew. I'm gonna abandon this jacket somewhere.
I think it'd be better if you actually went by yourself.
Oh, a fan store. Oh, where are my parents?
Behind us. Whoa. So there's different flavors. Matcha.
Matcha one.
One. Taylor. You want one?
I think I want to try the Japanese sake.
Do
and
it.
then one. No, one.
Do you want one less?
Alright, I'll try the Japanese sake.
Okay.
And then so two. Two.
Dina, do you want one?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Two.
Anyway.
Remember we did the instant
Sorry, my exposure was off. Arigatou gozaimasu.